In the following video, I'll demonstrate how I pack fat into acetone for tissue fixation, a method that makes it easier to locate lymph nodes.
The steps are the following. Fizzard. Ensure identification. Confirm the specimen is correctly labeled for accurate tracking. Second, prepare the fat. Carefully extract the fat from the specimen, ensuring minimal disruption to surrounding tissues. Third, use a suitable container for acetone fixation. Pre-fill it or do this step at the end. Be sure the fat is fully submerged. Fourth, use a mesh. If necessary, use a mesh or gauze to keep all the fat pieces all together. Fifth, stick the identification data on the container for proper tracking.